This is a Hamilton 992 pocket watch, and I'm going to show you the insides. Oh. Back. There you go. 992, and I'm going to disassemble this. This is a 3/4 plate watch. Not too much light. Need better lighting. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the hands closer together. It's a lever set, so I'm going to pull out the lever, and I'm going to get the hands closer to each other like that. Oh, I forgot to get the hand puller. Damn it. Oh. No, let's get something. Okay, now I got the hand puller. Pulled everything out but the hand puller. Okay. I got the hand puller now. I get my piece of mylar to protect the dial. The hand is loose like that. And I'm now going to pull off the hands. Okay, I got it in there. Oh, got them both off. Drop them in a container. And let's see if I can get the second hand. Let's see. That's kind of low. If it's too low, I'll have to take the mylar off. Let's see if I can get it underneath. Oh, I got it. Got the second hand off. Okay. So far, so good. I got the hands off. Now I'm going to this back. Now I'm going to remove the screws holding the movement into the case. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. Let's see, one here. I didn't hear it go clip, clip, clip. And then the second one. I guess they're loose. Now we will take the tweezers, pull them out. Okay, now the movement should drop out. Like that. Oh, this one's got a, you can see, shouldn't throw that like that. This one's got the dust shield or dust ring around the perimeter there to keep the crud from getting in there, so I'll have to take that off, and then I'm just going to stick the screwdriver here and just push it off. That comes off. Let me get this stuff out of the way. What do I do with the back? There's the back. So I got the dust ring off. Now I'm gonna take the dial off. And this one has 3 screws around the perimeter to loosen. That's one. I'm not going to take them all the way out because I'll probably lose them. There's the second one. 2. Oh, that one's a little tight. And the third one. And I always take these things apart with the mainspring wound down already. You don't want any springs ready to go. So I loosen the screws. Let's see if they got a little pry thing. No, they don't. No. I'm going to stick it in over here where the lever is. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Alright, I thought they would have a spot. Oh, now it's running. Okay. I'm going to go around and see if I can pry the dial off. Oh, I got it. So I got the dial off. I put the movement down. This is a double sunk dial. Let's see if I can hold it till I... Yeah, you know, one sunk, two sunk, and if you look at the back, you can see it's 3 pieces, and this is solder. They solder all these together. So that's definitely a double sunk dial. Put that aside. Now I got the movement, and you can see what it looks like without the dial off. I'm going to try something with the hands. Let's see if I can do this. I was going to show the way things run. I don't know if it's going to work out. Let's see if I can do this. Screw that. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put it back in the case and show you what happens when you move the lever. That's what we're going to do now. Ugh. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, almost. Okay, so I put it back in the case. And let's see, there's the lever, and you pull the lever out. Let's see if we can see the gears move. Okay, you see that thing go down. I forget what that's called. And then when you set the time, you can see the way it all the gears move to set the time. So that's how that lever set works. And now I unset it. So now we're going to continue with the disassembly of the watch. So, well, I gotta take the R wheel off. Where am I putting this stuff? I'm missing something already. That's why I put it in the wrong container. Let me put everything. Okay, now I can continue. Okay, so I got that, and I'm going to take the cannon pinion off here in the center. Let's see if it cooperates. Now I gotta get a different set of tweezers for this. I never took this one apart before, so okay, got the cannon pinion off there. I have to take that off to get the center wheel out. I think this is going to fall out, so I might as well take it off now too. I think that's the minute wheel. So now I flip it over. And I'm going to tighten it up a little bit. I don't want to tighten up too much because then it's going to dent it. Okay, now I'm going to take it apart. Let's see. You take this off. I'll use a different screwdriver. Let's see if I can... That's not a good screwdriver either. I gotta refinish these tips. Like I said, I never took this thing apart before, so... I don't know if it's going to cooperate, and it doesn't look like it's going to cooperate. Let me try a different screwdriver. This happened when I did that wristwatch. One of the screws wasn't going out. they're not cooperating. Let's try this screwdriver. I need better tips. Ah, okay, got it. That one's tight. That's what happened to me on the wristwatch when this screw couldn't come out. Oh, it fell over. Got another container for those parts. So I got that off. I used to have a probe, but it's in my toolbox, and I'll also get that too. Oops, I wasn't prepared for this one. So I'm gonna lift up this wheel, this winding gear. I don't know what they call it. It should come off, but come on, a little bit more. Yay, got it off. So this comes off. Doesn't look bad. Put that there. And what's next? I'm gonna leave this on for now. Or maybe I'll take that off. Let me see if it cooperates. It's usually, I don't know which way it turns, left or right. I forget. It's not going easily, so, because I know on some of these models the screw turns the opposite way, so, because it's winding and it doesn't unscrew that way. So I'm not going to screw with that right now. And now I'm going to take the plate off. Well, I should have picked a better watch because, like I said, I never took this one apart before. And it just doesn't want to cooperate. Oh man, that's tight. Holy cow. I might have to stop this video because this thing doesn't want to work. Oh, man. These screws don't want to come off. Okay, there you go. That's one. Two. Three. I think I have to refinish the tips on these screwdrivers. So I got one screw, two screw, three screw. Yay! Yay! Now they have pry points over here. There's one over here I can see where you just stick something, and there's one on the other side here, and it just lifts off. So there's the I don't know, one of the plates. Now you can see it all. I see a whole bunch of oil in there. All in there is all oily. And over here too. I don't know. That's not from me. Or what? No, I don't think I oiled this. Like I said, I never took this one apart. It's even got the serial number there. 24 something. Yeah, same serial number on the front. So that's that plate. I'm going to put that aside.